Hey guys, I am in the process of making us some dinner tonight and want to talk to you a little bit about today's video. This is our monthly cookbook collaboration video, and I am going to be cooking out of this Taste of Home Grandma's Favorites 2022 cookbook. I will have this listed below. In addition, today's video is a collaboration that's hosted by Tamara at Southern Wife Everyday Life. I will have Tamara's channel listed below, as well as a playlist of all of the creators who have made you a recipe out of a cookbook. Today's recipe, we will be making pecan waffles. All right guys, to get started, I have flour in this bowl. We are going to add some salt and some baking powder, and we are going to just incorporate this together. And then we're gonna set this to the side. In my next bowl here, we're going to have egg yolks, milk, oil, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of vanilla. The recipe does not call for it, but I'm adding it. And we're gonna give these a really good mix. We're gonna move this to the side. I have a little bowl here, and I'm going to add my egg whites, and I'm gonna beat them until they are stiff. I'm not sure how long that'll take, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that process started, and I'll be back once these have stiffened up. Okay, y'all, joke's on me. I forgot how long it takes to have stiff egg whites. My left shoulder was already bothering me. Now my right arm is gotta work out today. I finally gave up, y'all, and was like, gotta get my mixer out. So, all right, we've got our egg whites on a stiff peak. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. So far, all the recipes that I've tried in this cookbook, I just love. So I'll be sure to link that cookbook below in the description box. And while we're getting these last few ingredients mixed up, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Tamara from Southern Wife Everyday Life, our host. I enjoy Tamara's channel a lot. She's practical, she's down to earth. She has recipes that are easy to make and that your family will eat. And at the same time, she's really great at giving you tips to save money and helping you prepare for all this inflation stuff that's going on. So if you have a chance, be sure to check out her channel. I know that you will not be sorry. The other thing is the group playlist. There are so many wonderful cooks in this cookbook collab that I know that you'll find recipes that you thoroughly enjoy and that will go into your normal rotation. So be sure to check both of those out. All right, so we're going to add you up, there you go. So we're going to add our stiff peaks into our batter. And we're gonna just fold these in. I am going to get the waffle iron hot and check on our bacon, and then we'll be back to get some of these wonderful pecan waffles cooked up. Cannot wait. We're just gonna keep incorporating these two until they're all the same color. Okay guys, our bacon's all finished up and our griddle is hot. So what we're going to do is we are going to add our waffle mix. I've played around with this a couple times to see which way I like best. The recipe says to do this differently, but I'm gonna show you what looks to work best the most. All right, so, and then you're gonna add your pecans after you pour the mix on. The recipe, the cookbook says to pour your pecans on first. They were getting burnt. So, but I tried a couple like this and they look really, really good. We'll be back when this one's ready. All right. And here is breakfast for dinner at our house tonight. Pecan waffles and bacon. As a reminder, I will have this cookbook listed in the description box below where you can find this great recipe. And that is what's for dinner tonight at our house. Thank you so much for following along in today's video. And don't forget to check out Tamara as well as the playlist that's in the description box below. You're gonna love Tamara's channel and you're gonna get tons of great motivation and cooking ideas from the playlist. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.